So in this video, I'm going to show you how to accept payments on your store with Alipay. Because why? Because it's a digital wallet in China that has more than a billion active users worldwide. So obviously, it's a good idea to actually add this because people from China, Chinese people, they'll be able to actually pay using this digital wallet. So let's actually click on manage here. Not here, sorry. Go to websites and then I'll select this website. And now from here, we're gonna have to go to online store, click on manage store. And then from here, from manage store, we're gonna have to click on payment. Now make sure you connect your Stripe account. Click on here, manage. And from me is just it's not set up finished yet, but just click on here and connect it. And then now the next step is to go to Stripe. You're gonna click on your settings here and then select settings. And then from here we're gonna have to go to payments. And why we're going here, because we have to enable now here in payment method, we have to enable Alipay. Okay, now just turn this on, turn on. And now this option, this payment option will automatically be recommended to Chinese customers as well as overseas Chinese and travelers from China. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and if you have suggestions for the next video, let me know in the comments section.